Principle of language teaching. The main purpose of teaching aids in an English classroom is to provide vicarious experiences. Effective factors in motivation are linked to students' own perception of their ability. Learners acquire a language by using the language in a natural, interactive environment. What a teacher uses language, games, and visual aids to teach which principle is being applied, encouraging creativity and engaging different learning styles. A good test on reading comprehension will have questions that test inference, interpretation, and evaluation besides comprehension. English in India today needs to be taught as a language for communication. A key principle of language acquisition is that learners need exposure to comprehensible input. The primary object of using role play is to improve the communicative competency. The 5 C's: communication, cultures, connection, comparison, communities. In language education, emphasize the application of language learning beyond the instructional setting. According to NCF 2005, evaluation should be meaningful process. LSRW: listening, speaking, reading, writing. The purpose of teaching a poetry text in is more on enjoyment and development literary sensitivity. Correct speech habits can be developed most effectively through pronunciation practice. Find out odd one with respect to reading important. It makes a person knowledgeable. It helps during the process of speaking. It enhances one's vocabulary. Learning a language is a gradual process. Study of meaning in a language is known as semantics. English is in India is a language used for prestige symbol. In the early stages of teaching has to focus improving vocabulary. Inductive method in teaching grammar focuses on the teacher presents certain examples before the student and then frames the rules with their help. Challenges like homophones, phrasal verbs, etc. faced by English learners are categorized as pronunciation related challenges. Which one of the following is not an important principle of language teaching? The student should learn a language by doing it right. The student should proceed from the concrete to abstract. The teacher should always tell jokes in the classroom. False. The teacher should try to motivate the learners. True. Joking in the classroom is not a required thing. Which of the following will help learners take greater responsibility for their own learning? Peer assessment. Peer assessment. Which is no longer a position of English in India? लिंक लैंग्वेज, एसोसिएट ऑफिशियल लैंग्वेज होता है, ग्लोबल लैंग्वेज भी है, फॉरेन लैंग्वेज नहीं है. टू लोएस्ट लेवल ऑफ कॉग्निटिव डोमेन इज नॉलेज. लोएस्ट लेवल ऑफ कॉग्निटिव डोमेन इज नॉलेज. When a teacher establishes a direct association between English word and its meaning, he uses bilingual method. In language teaching, what is the significance of teaching for meaning? It ensures that language is understood and used for its intended purpose. Correct speech habits can be developed most effectively through pronunciation practice. When young learners seem to lose interest in a lesson, the teacher should tell a story or conduct an interesting activity. What type of question promote thinking skills in children? Personal response questions. Complete the following by selecting correct alternative. Feedback is part of the teaching process. To learn a new language, the children should increase their word power. Using songs, rhymes, and games in classroom would help the child to overcome shyness, develop confidence and interest, motivate to speak. The primary skills of learning language are listening and speaking. The two components of language are grammar and vocabulary, which is true. While all formative tasks are meant for improving teaching, learning, some are used for assessment to long word games. If a language teacher has taught a topic in the classroom and no student asks question in her class, then maybe whatever was taught was beyond the comprehension of the students. Which of the following is not part of the traditional classroom? Chalk is part, textbook part, blackboard is a part. Which of the is the best way to explain the meaning of particular word? Example of usage in a sentence. When language is learnt without any practice, it is called first language. If a student is making pronunciation error, the best way to help him is to provide him or her with correct pronunciation without any humiliation. Use stress and rhythmic patterns and intonation patterns of the appropriately are the micro skills involved in which of the following speaking. Which one of the following is not included under the principle of English teaching? प्रिंसिपल नेचुरल प्रोसेस है, प्रिंसिपल ऑफ पर्पज भी है, प्रिंसिपल ऑफ सिलेक्शन भी है, लेकिन प्रिंसिपल ऑफ अपरूटिंग इन फ्रॉम कल्चर नहीं है. द क्राइटेरिया टू चूज a particular course for particular class is called the principle of selection. In which method teacher states rules and gives example? Deductive method. Teacher states rules and gives example in deductive method. Which of the following is not true of first language acquisition? It is universal, it is natural, it doesn't require formal instruction, but it requires formal instruction now. The main object of teaching poetry at secondary level is to appreciate the beauty of the poem. The objective of speaking is to speech help to communicate feelings, provide remedial teaching on the problem, verbally answer the question asked. Selection of the language material to be taught is the first requisite of good teaching. Pronunciation test items is an example of speaking test. An approach is concerned with the theory of nature of language and language teaching. Teachers do not need to present all the new words in the text before the student read it. They can guess the meaning of many words from the context. Which of the following is considered desirable on the faith of a teacher? Explaining only those words whose meaning cannot be derived from the context, seeking learners' involvement while explaining the difficult word, using different devices to explain difficult word. Which one of the following levels of comprehension helps learner most in developing their critical faculties? Interpretative level. Which one of the following is against the accepted principle of language teaching? Writing should be introduced before reading. No. Function of language are social language, cultural language, expressive language. Choose the teaching aid which is both audio and visual in its nature, television. Which is a quality of good handwriting, legibility, distinctiveness, space. English is in India today needs to be taught as a language for communication. The concept of teaching from concrete to abstract is related to which principle? Simple to complex, known to unknown, from general to specific. Which of the following is a principle? Is principle of effective teaching? Providing regular feedback to students, encouraging collaboration among students, creating supportive and inclusive learning environment. The whole language approach to language teaching emphasizes using language as a tool for communication in meaningful context. Manpower approach of educational planning is also called human resource development approach. The best way to teach a concept to students is to proceed from known to unknown. Froebel's methods of teaching are based on four basic principles: principle of creative expression, principle of learning by games, principle of freedom. Which strategy is effective for motivating learners? Providing regular feedback and positive reinforcement. Which of the following is typically method for testing speaking skills? Interviews, role plays, presentation. Ritu Sharma, English teacher of class 8th, asks her learners to read material such as children's magazine, other magazines, newspaper, short story, books, articles, etc. so that they should develop fluency in the target language. Which type of reading is C encouraging? C encouraging extensive. In reading comprehension test, what does inferential question require learners to do? Infer meaning beyond the explicit content. Allowed reading is done to assess pronunciation. What type of test is best suited to measure a learner's proficiency in real life language use? Proficiency test. A good test on reading comprehension will have questions that test inference, interpretation, and implication decides comprehension. The aims of teaching English prose may be general or specific. English language teaching needs to be teacher-centered. In teaching, grammar is useful to improve accuracy. Mother tongue or mother language is the first language. Which of the following is fundamental component of language learning? Developing both receptive skill and predictive skill. Picture models and the like arouse students' interest on the day's topic. In what part of lesson should be given materials be presented? Initiating activities. In Bloom's taxonomy of education objectives, the domains are started from the lowest to highest level. Which of the following objects below to the lowest level? To identify the characters of the story. Which part of the lesson does the learner give a synthesis of things learned? Generalization.